Welcome to my channel Travel Guide. Major Boeing News 2025. China halts Boeing deliveries in April 2025. China ordered its airlines to suspend Boeing jet deliveries, including 737 MAX aircraft, in retaliation for U.S. tariffs on Chinese goods. This affects about 50 planes worth over $1 billion, with 3 737 MAX jets already returned to the U.S. Boeing is exploring resale options, with interest from carriers like Riyadh Air and Air India. The pause threatens Boeing's cash flow in a key growth market. Boeing sells digital assets for $10.6 billion. Boeing agreed to sell its Jeppesen navigation unit and subsidiaries, 4Flight, Air Data, Oz Runways, to Thoma Bravo for $10.6 billion in cash, announced April 22, 2025. This move, led by CEO Kelly Ortberg, aims to reduce debt and refocus on core aircraft manufacturing amid financial strain from a $11.8 billion 2024 loss. The deal is expected to close by year-end. 737 MAX production ramps up. Boeing increased 737 MAX production to the low 30s per month in Q1 2025, aiming for the FAA-approved cap of 38 by mid-2025 and 50 by 2026. Deliveries rose to 130 planes from 83 a year ago, boosting commercial revenue by 75% to $8.1 billion. However, a 2024 strike and quality checks post-Alaska Airlines incident slowed progress. Q1 2025 earnings beat expectations. Boeing reported a Q1 2025 loss of $31 million, significantly narrower than expected, with revenue up 18% to $19.49 billion. Free cash burn improved to $2.3 billion, better than the forecasted $3.4 billion. Shares rose 6% on April 23, 2025, reflecting investor optimism despite ongoing trade and production challenges. Trade war impacts cash flow. The U.S.-China trade war, fueled by Trump's 145% tariffs, threatens Boeing's 2025 cash generation. Analysts estimate the Chinese delivery pause could delay significant revenue, though short-term resale to airlines like Air India may mitigate losses. Long-term tariffs risk a broader trade war, potentially closing other markets, as warned by industry experts. Spirit AeroSystems deal advances. Boeing is set to reacquire parts of Spirit AeroSystems, its former subsidiary, in a deal expected to close in Q3 2025. This follows Airbus's agreement to take Spirit's US and UK assets. The move aims to stabilize Boeing's supply chain, critical for 737 MAX production, after Spirit reported a $650 to $700 million cash burn in H1 2025. Workforce reductions announced. Boeing plans to cut approximately 400 Space Launch System positions by April 2025 to align with Artemis program revisions. This follows a 15% corporate staff reduction at Southwest Airlines, a major 737 operator, announced in February 2025, signaling broader cost-cutting in the aviation sector. Boeing added 3,750 workers in 2024 and plans 2,000 more in 2025, offsetting some losses. 777X orders await certification. The Boeing 777X, priced at $442.2 million, has 515 orders but no new commitments in 2025, with deliveries delayed to 2026. Its advanced composite materials and fuel-efficient engines, 15% better than predecessors, promise a 9,000-plus nmi range, but certification hurdles persist. The 777X remains Boeing's most expensive commercial aircraft available in 2025. Safety and leadership scrutiny. Boeing faces ongoing scrutiny after a January 2024 737 MAX 9-door plug incident, caused by missing bolts. CEO Kelly Ortberg, appointed in August 2024, emphasizes improved safety and manufacturing processes. A lawsuit claims Boeing is liable for the death of whistleblower John Barnett, who raised safety concerns, adding pressure on leadership. Ortberg's 2025 compensation is set at $22 million. Presidential jet project accelerated. Boeing is speeding up delivery of 2 new Air Force One jets under pressure from President Trump. Measures include relaxing security clearances for workers and exploring a temporary luxury plane retrofit. The project, already delayed, underscores Boeing's role in high-profile government contracts despite commercial struggles. Context and implications. Boeing's 2025 is marked by recovery efforts and external pressures. The China delivery halt and trade war complicate its 80% export-driven business, while the Jeppesen sale and Spirit deal aim to stabilize finances and supply chains. Production gains and better-than-expected earnings signal progress, but safety concerns and certification delays, e.g., 777X, MAX-10, persist. Ortberg's leadership focuses on streamlining operations and rebuilding trust, but geopolitical risks and a $5 billion stock value drop in 2025 challenge Boeing's turnaround. Industry analysts see potential for recovery if Boeing navigates trade disputes and boosts 737 MAX output, but Airbus's order dominance, 8,684 backlog versus Boeing's 4,763, remains a hurdle. For the latest updates, check Boeing's official site, Boeing.com, or news outlets like Reuters and Bloomberg. Policies and delivery schedules may shift due to trade negotiations or FAA decisions, so monitor developments before planning travel or investments. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.